attorney, that means agree ka ba doon sa mga sinasabi ng iba na kaya siguro nag-resign si Senator Ping Lacson bilang chairman ng Blue Ribbon to save Senate President Tito Soto?
Oh, definitely, no. Senator Ping Lacson, moved with a Ping's gambit. It's like a chess game. So he had to sacrifice his own, let's say, position ni Senator Ping. Medyo mataas, hindi lang siya pawn. He's probably like a bishop or a rook, no, in the chess game to save the Senate presidency under Senator Soto. Because yun nga, may mga disgruntled senators or dissatisfied senators with how he's handling it because the way they perceived it, wrongly or rightly, no? And this is not about ethics pa, no? Hindi ko pa ginajudge kung tama sila or mali. Pero wrongly or rightly, they perceive Senator Ping as trying to burn the house down, no? Senator JV was very honest about it naman.
Okay. Last na pasensya na Attorney Jess, dahil kulang na sa oras. Pero, yun na nga. So, of course, nababasa natin sa mga opinion na nababasa natin doon sa ilang mga analysts at saka sa mga netizen na they don't wanna go back to yung na magpapalit ang Senado doon sa leadership niya, no. Pero dahil ayaw nilang bumalik, sinasabi mo na magulo na sistema nung before nagkaroon ng palitan. Pero at the same time, ano daw yung price after ma-retain itong liderato ngayon? Ang price daw ba doon, lalo't hindi na itutuloy yung investigasyon ng Blue Ribbon Committee about dito sa flood control, yung hindi na natin malalaman ang katotohanan. So, eventually, saan natin kukunin yung sagot doon sa mga galit ng tao daw?
Yes, it's not really a price, no, for us, no. Baka sa kanila, sa mga senators, price yon. Pero for us, it's probably a punishment na nagkakaroon ng mga ganitong rigodon, and we are delayed in hearing more truths coming out, no? Kasi kahit naman may mga fake witnesses dyan, ano man lumalabas dyan, totoong witnesses or not, at the end of the day, it's up to the people to decide and to judge. That's why I think many of the September 21 organizers, no, pati yung mga participants like me who went to the rally, are thinking, rightfully, no, what's next? Ano yung next move naman ng taong bayan? The politicians, they've made their chess move. What's the next move of the people so that we rightfully get justice and not get a cover-up like before na walang napanagot? Ngayon ba may mapapanagot ang taong bayan? Because these politicians, no, hindi naman sila yung magiging source ng justice. It's hard to rely on them to deliver justice. It should be really from the people pressuring these politicians to deliver what's rightfully ours.
Attorney, promising ba sa'yo and do you have faith dun sa Independent Commission for Infrastructure? Kasi yung mga hearings sila or mga investigasyon ay magiging
without Mayor Magalong.
Without Mayor Magalong, tapos hindi naman siya magiging televised. Kasi ayaw nga nila ng trial by publicity.
Panawagan ng CBCP yun na maging transparent.
Yes, well, the church has already said so. And bigatin yun si Cardinal Pablo David, no? I think when he speaks, people should listen. It's because, it's really about distrust na mukhang lahat ng tao corrupt and mukhang may cover up. So how can you dispel those kind of perceptions and restore trust? That can only be done through transparency of senators and congressmen individually sa mga actions nila, SALN, etc. and transparency sa investigation so that we don't suspect na merong selective justice or cover-up. Because tayo naman dito kahit sino mapanagot, bata ni BBM, bata ni Duterte, kahit bata ni Aquino, kahit kanino yan umabot, basta naman may ebidensya, the people will rightfully judge for themselves who's guilty or not guilty.